Welcome to HydraGon Tutorials. In today's tutorial, we're going to talk about staking Hydra using the official staking platform. To start staking Hydra, use your browser to open the address stake.hydrachain.org. You will begin on the delegation page, where you can see current staking data and a list of available validators. The first step is to connect a Hydra wallet to the staking platform. In this example, we'll be using the MetaMask wallet. After connecting your wallet, choose any validator from the list and click on the action icon. To start a new delegated position with the validator you've selected, set the amount of Hydra you wish to stake and press the delegate button. If you want to vest your position for a specific period of time, activate the slider button and enter the number of weeks you wish to vest. Remember, the longer the period, the better the rewards. You can view the potential annual percentage rate for the selected number of weeks. You can also see how much Hydra you'll receive for opening this particular position. Click the delegate button to start your vested position. After opening your new position, you'll find it in the portfolio section of the staking platform. In this section, you can check current information related to your Hydra wallet. Here you can see the amount of Hydra currently being delegated, claimable rewards, and the amount of Hydra still available in your wallet. Below that information, you'll find a list of currently open positions. In this list, you can check how long a vested position will take to start maturing, how much Hydra is being delegated for each position, and how much Hydra has been rewarded. If you hover the mouse cursor over the earnings amount for a specific position, you'll see how many rewards have been generated, even before the position reaches maturity. After a position completes the vested period, it will start maturing automatically. You may choose to collect the rewards once the maturity ends or multiple times during its progress. During the vesting period, you may choose to swap the currently assigned validator. You can do this by clicking on the swap icon and selecting another validator from the list. This operation won't affect the vested period or your rewards.